Ciao, everybody. Welcome back. Today, we're going into the engine room. Most people treat the stock market like a casino. They hope a stock goes up or they feel like a company's doing well. Hope is not a strategy. As a CEO, I don't gamble with my family's future. I use math. Today, I'm going to show you the hidden math, how exactly I use the same credit leverage we talked about to fund an automated wealth building machine. I'm opening up my screen to show you exactly how I allocate capital. Before we look at the numbers, remember the core principle, OPM, other people's money. While my daily expenses are sitting on my Marriott American Express, my actual cash is sitting in my high-yield savings account earning 3.3%. That float gives me the liquidity and the breathing room to put my money to work. I'm not finding extra money to invest. I'm liberating my money from my bills by using the bank's credit lines as a bridge. All right, take a look at the screen here. This is QQQM. It's an index fund that tracks 100 most innovative companies in the world. Apple, Microsoft, NVDA. But I'm not trying to time the market. I am buying a recurring investment of $25. See this right here? $25 every single week on Monday. This is called dollar cost averaging. I have set this to autopilot. Whether the market's at an all-time high or a temporary dip, my $25 goes in. When the market is on sale, my $25 buys more shares. When it's up, my portfolio grows. I chose QQQM specifically because the expense ratio is lower than the standard QQQ. As an architect, I care about the hidden math, and I want that extra 0.10% staying in my pocket, not the fund managers. So this interest I earn on my float in my American Express account essentially pays for these shares. I'm literally building a legacy using the bank's own math against them. Let's go through how to set one of these things up. What you do is you go to your brokerage account, I'm using Robinhood, and you search for the stock you want to buy into. In my case, QQQM. The order type is going to default like this to buy or sell. I'm going to set mine to recurring investment. For me, I put in $25. I'm starting it on Monday. You could do Wednesday. It doesn't matter. I'm doing mine on Monday, and I'm every week. They let you pick every day, every 2 weeks, every month, whatever you want. And my payment, you can buy it from your buying power, which is what's already in your account, or you can set it up to come from one of your bank accounts, which that's actually how mine is set up to come directly from one of my bank accounts. Then you click on this to review your order, and then you send it off, making sure everything is set up the way you want. So as you can see, this thing goes up and down and up and down. So if I'm buying it every week, I'm getting some at this price and some at this price and some at this price. So over time, it averages out and smooths it out so that you are getting a better price. It's called dollar cost averaging. All right, so here we have NVIDIA. Don't get me wrong. The $25 a week into QQQM is the floor. It's the automated engine that never stops. But for those of you who want to move faster, I also use precision tools. I don't market buy stocks based on a feeling. I use buy limit orders to wait for the price I want to pay and a sell limit order to exit exactly when my profit equation tells me to. I'm essentially setting traps in the market to catch profit while I'm out with my daughters, running my business, doing my work, doing the laundry, doing the dishes, or sleeping. I've had limit orders hit at 4 o'clock in the morning, midnight, anytime. So let's take a look at these buy and sell limit orders that I have set here for NVIDIA. So what you can do to set one up is that you're going to go over here to buy and you're going to click limit order. Then you're going to put in the price you want. So let's say that I want to buy at 175 because it's trading 180. So I put that in. I put the number of shares I want. And then I like to trade 24-hour market, which means Sunday to Friday and sessions in at 7 p.m. That means if something hits at 4 o'clock in the morning, great. And then I like to do good till cancel up to 90 days. That's how I like to set it up, okay? Then when you want to do it, you just review it and confirm. Well, instead of me doing one right now, I'm just going to show you some that I already have set up. So I have this limit buy. See how it has upcoming activity here? It tells you, look, I already placed one. I submitted this thing like a month ago. I wanted to buy one limit buy at 175. It's good till cancel. And then I have a limit sell. I have a bunch of NVIDIA in my account and I want to sell 10 of them for $230. Good till cancel. I can cancel this and replace it anytime I want for a new price that I want. But for right now, if the stock market and NVIDIA goes up, well then if it market hits 230, then I'm going to sell 10 of these at 230 and that money's going to come into my account and be there for my buying power. That's how that works. So as you can see, the QQQM plate is just one trade on autopilot. It's the simplest version of what I do. In the full training masterclass that I'm doing on February 17th, I'm going to show you how I use these limit orders to trade individual stocks without sitting in front of a screen all day. People laugh at my $25 a week. They think you need $100,000 to start. They're wrong. The hidden math shows that $25 a week compounded over time turns into a six-figure engine and even seven figures over time. I'm not trading hours for this growth. I'm trading my system for it. In the next video, I'm going to show you the system architecture blueprint with the mindset that goes together for doing all of this trading, all in one closed loop. And remember, on February 17th, I'm opening up enrollment for the official profit equation training class. If you're ready to stop being a worker and start being an architect, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!